Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to multiply fractions. If I have a half times a half, to multiply the fraction we multiply the numerator, 1 times 1 is 1, and we multiply the denominator, 2 times 2 is 4. Very different than adding. Now that doesn't seem straight away intuitive, but if you think about it as this being a half of a half, so if I have a pizza and I have a half, and then I'm trying to find half of that, I'm actually only finding a quarter of the whole pizza. So that's why this is correct. So another example would be 2/3 times 5 over 7. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 7 is 21. Now, this is as simple as it can go, because the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10, and the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, and 21. So no common factors, so we can't simplify it any further. If I have 2 over 6 times 9 over 10, I'm going to show you this in two ways. Firstly, 2 times 9 is 18, and 6 times 10 is 60. Now, this has common numbers. 6 goes into both of these, so let's start there. So we'll divide this by 6, and we divide this by 6, and we get 6 into 18 is 3, and 6 into 60 is 10. And so that's our answer, 3/10. There's another way I can do that, same sum. If I have 2 over 6 times 9 over 10, I can see that because I multiply, I can actually cross things out before we go. So 3 is a multiple of 6, so 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I can cancel those down. You can also see that these are both even numbers, so 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So now, when we multiply them, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 5 is 10. The same answer, but we've just got there in a slightly shorter way. So that's when we've got straight fractions. If we have mixed numbers, let's do whole numbers first. 10 times 1/3. Actually, we'll make that 1/8. Okay, so 1 over 8 is a fraction and 10 is a whole number. So we just need to change that 10 to a fraction so we can put it over 1. So here, you can see they're both even, so I can actually cancel them down now. So 5 goes into 10 twice, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So I now have 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 times 4 is 4. So that's 5 over 4, and I can simplify that to 1, because 4 goes into 5 once, and 1 left over, 1 1/4. So 10 divided by 1/8 is 1 1/4. Now, if I have a mixed number, 1 and 2/3 times 4 1/2, in order to do this multiplication, what we need to do is to have them all in improper fraction form, or in fraction form. So I need to change this to an improper fraction. 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5 over 3. So 3 stays our denominator. We're going to multiply that by 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over 2. Here I can do the cancelling down, so 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15, 1 times 2 is 2. That's an improper fraction, so I can turn that into a mixed number. 2 goes into 15 7 times with 1 left over. There you go. So that's multiplying fractions. Good luck with that.